Hello student, today I am going to start second lecture of classification of element. In second lectures I am going to discuss about the pure substance. Pure substance. What are pure substance? There are many substances around us, and among them some substances are those type and which are pure, means made up of only one kind of particles. Then how we can define pure substance? The substance which are made up of similar kind of unit particle are called pure substance. Pure substance. For example, element, compound. Example, elements, compound. That all are pure substance. Pure substance. Then first of all, element. Elements. What is element? Element means the simplest pure substance which can neither be split into another substance nor built from another simpler substance is known as element. The simplest pure substance which can neither be split nor built up of from other simpler substance are called elements. It means element is made up of only one kind of atoms. They are made up of only one kind of atom. Example, hydrogen, helium, oxygen, silver, gold, etc. That all are the elements. Another, compound. What is compound? Compound means the substance or pure substance which is made up of chemical combination of two or more than two elements together in fixed proportion is known as compound. Here, compound. The pure substance made up of made by chemical reaction of two or more than two element in fixed proportion by their weight are called compound. The pure substance made by chemical reaction of two or more than two elements in fixed proportions by their weight are called compound. It means compound is made up of two or more than two elements when combined together chemically in fixed proportions is known as compound. Like as water, salt, sugar, carbon dioxide, that all are the compounds, and compound is also a pure substance. Example: water, H2O, common salt, NaCl, carbon dioxide, CO2, etc. That all are the compound and which is composed of the different kind of atoms. Okay. Another element can classify into three categories on the basis of their physical and chemical property. On the basis of physical and chemical property, elements can classified into three types. One, metal, non-metal, and metalloid. Then first, metal. What are metal? Metal means those elements and which are a good conductor of heat and electricity. Good conductor of heat and electricity means when we pass heat and electricity at one end of conductor, then it transmits to other end also. That is known as good conductor. It means the metals, the element which are good conductor of heat and electricity, are called metal. And metal have 1, 2 and 3 valence electrons, and they are good conductor of heat and electricity, and because they have free electrons. Then an example: iron, silver, gold, etc. They are malleable and ductile. They are malleable and ductile. Malleable means those property of metals due to which metal can change into thin like structure or plate like structures, and that property is known as malleable. Another, ductile means those property of metal in which metal can change into thread like structures after hammering, is known as ductile property of metals. Okay, there are many property of the metals, but now we have to discuss about only a few, and so I have written in short. Second, non-metal. Non-metal means the element which are bad conductor of heat and electricity. Heat and electricity are called non-metal. It means non-metal cannot allow to pass heat and electricity through them. Okay. Then example, oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen, etc. They are non-metal. They are non-malleable and non-ductile. Non-ductile means it cannot be changed into plate-like structure or thin-like structures, because it is brittle. So when we hammer, then it breaks down. Another, metalloid. What is metalloids? Metalloid means the substance which carry the property of both metal and non-metals. It means the elements which are semiconductor, means electricity and heat pass but a few only. Then the element which are semiconductor or poor conductor, we can write also, which are semiconductor of heat and electricity are called metalloid. Metalloid. Example, silicon, arsenic, germanium, etc. It means they are poor conductor of heat and electricity. Electricity pass but a few only, not totally. Okay. And here, this carry the property of both metal and non-metals. Okay, student, this much for today. In another class, I will discuss about another topic.